Greetings and welcome to our channel. We're excited to share our passion with you and hope you'll join us on this journey. The Volvo XC90 is a top-of-the-line luxury SUV that offers a spacious and stylish interior. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to transport your family or just want to enjoy a comfortable and luxurious driving experience, the XC90 has a lot to offer. One of the standout features of the Volvo XC90's interior is its spaciousness. The SUV has room for up to 7 passengers, with a third row that can accommodate adults comfortably. The second row can be adjusted to create more legroom or cargo space, depending on the needs of the passengers. The XC90 also has a large cargo area, with a power-operated tailgate and a hands-free feature that allows you to open it simply by waving your foot under the rear bumper. In terms of materials, the Volvo XC90's cabin is well crafted and features high-quality materials throughout. The base model comes with a standard leather interior, but there are also options for nubuck leather, perforated leather, and premium leather. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and the cabin is quiet and well insulated from outside noise. The Volvo XC90's interior comes in a variety of colors and trims, so you can choose the one that best suits your personal style. The base model comes with a standard black leather interior, but there are also options for beige, tan, and brown leather. There are also a variety of trim options, including wood, aluminum, and carbon fiber. In terms of features, the Volvo XC90 has a lot to offer. It comes standard with a 9-inch touchscreen display that is easy to use and offers a variety of features, including satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and a built-in navigation system. The SUV also comes with a panoramic sunroof that lets in plenty of natural light and provides a great view of the surroundings. The sunroof is power-operated and has a sunshade that can be activated with the touch of a button. Other features of the Volvo XC90's interior include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a wireless charging pad, a hands-free power tailgate, and a 360-degree camera system. The SUV also offers a variety of advanced safety features, including blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. These features use sensors and cameras to monitor the surrounding area and provide alerts and assistance to the driver when necessary. Overall, the Volvo XC90's interior is stylish, spacious, and well-equipped. It offers a comfortable and luxurious driving experience for all passengers, and the wide range of available colors and features allows you to customize it to your personal taste. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to transport your family or just want to enjoy a comfortable and luxurious driving experience, the Volvo XC90 is an excellent choice.